Hey everybody, this is Home Inspector Dan. I'm at a 31-year-old property today. Gonna do a regular clean out inspection, sewer camera inspection. We've got some pretty basic cleanouts in the front. Kind of hard to see through the window there, but we've got bullhead cleanouts, ABS, running under the house and out to the street. I'm expecting this to be a pretty straightforward inspection, but I kind of wanted to go through the process with you. Walking through the house before I do anything, just kind of getting a feel for where all the drains are. So if you look over here, we've got sink drain, dishwasher is going to be draining into that. In the hallway, we've got a bathroom, so we're going to have a sink drain, toilet drain, and a bathtub drain. So we're going to probably be going past that because I really want my camera to come back here and get underneath the sink and the bathtub in the back primary bathroom. So we've got a toilet, bathtub, and sink. You can turn the sink on. You just want to make sure that it's not leaking. Looks like it's pretty clean down there, so it's probably not a leaking plumbing, but it's always better to just crank up a bathtub. If you got the bathtub going, we're going to get a good amount of flow of water going, so I'm going to try and get my sewer camera back into this drain so I can get a good feel for what the pipes look like underneath the house. So let's go back to the front yard now. Neighbor's doing some woodworking down the street. It's awesome, but here's our plumbing cleanouts. So I'm going to grab my sewer camera and we're going to go down in this one. This one's going to go out to the street. Probably going to be about a 20-30 foot run. We do have a tree up here, so there's a possibility of some roots infiltrating the ABS pipe. Probably not. But then this other clean out's going to go under the house, and that's how we're going to try and find our bathtub. So let me get my camera set up and let's get going. Sewer inspection for the street in Mesa. We've got two sewer cleanouts on the front of the property. We're going to go through the first one closest to the home first. This should take us out to the street. I've got the bathtub running in the back primary bathroom right now. See, that's the other opening for the cleanout on the top. A good ABS pipe. Got to turn at 18 feet where it drops down into the city. That's the city connection right there where it's white pipe PVC. Connection looks good. I'm seeing a little bit of roots in between the two pipe materials there, in between the PVC and ABS. A little bit of hydrojetting might clean that out. Now we're going to pull the camera back and go underneath the home. we're going to come down that clean out pipe right above us and go the other direction. A little bit of water in the pipe right there at the clean out. It's pretty common for the clean outs to settle a little bit. So as long as there's not debris or anything clogged in this area, it's usually not a repair or a correction defect, but it is something I will point out to the client so they know it's there. Because if the water dries up out of this line and there's debris in that line, it'll harden and stick to the side of the pipe, and then we'll have more problems. We got a little more water being pushed up on the video camera. It's because we're going into the flow of water. We're going to try and find that back bathtub. Some debris in the line there at 21 feet. Got a connection here. Connections look good. So there's our back bathroom, bathtub. That's where the bathtub drains into the main drain line. So we got 56 feet back to the back bathtub. Connections look good, a little bit of hydrojet maintenance, clean these pipes out. Other than that, you're good to go. That's probably the sink connection, 24. All right, so the drain line looks good. I'm just gonna pull this up, make sure that we go in and turn that water off in the back bathroom. Thanks for using BTG Inspections. I'm Home Inspector Dan. Give me a call if you have any questions. So now I just want to make sure that I get all these caps back replaced, so we don't have any critters or rocks going down in there. And make sure we go turn the water off. ABS lines on a 30-year-old home, you're probably not going to see much. ABS lines are great. The roots in the drain lines out there could be cleared out. They're not going to cause any problems today. They might in the future, but a little bit of root action, it's not worth any repairs, but a little bit of cleaning, a little bit of maintenance of the lines. Fix it all up. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.